former Chief Justice of India, K.G. Balakrishnan ji, to address the gathering, give us blessings. Mananiya K.G. Balakrishnan ji.
The author of the book, Mr. Abhinav Rekhamji, Mr. Ashok Pandey, Mr. Pradeep Rai, Mr. Arun Prakash, Mr. Alok Kumar, and very, very distinguished people who are gathered here on this occasion of releasing the book. The author, Abhinav Rekhamji, has taken a very, very excellent route how the lawyer should be, how to become a lawyer. मैं अंग्रेजी में बोलेगा, ये हिंदी में भाषण करना थोड़ा मुश्किल है, गलत हो जाएगा तो अच्छा नहीं लगता. So I am talking in English with your permission. We study the law. Earlier it was 2 years. I completed 2 years, the BL, FL and BL, and after LLM, that was also 2 years in those days. Now it is 3 years, and 5-year law course also has started. But in spite of all these 3 years or 5 years, you are not trained how to become a lawyer. That is to be trained yourself. That is how to behave in court, how to dress, how to properly deal with your colleagues, deal with your clients, how to address them, how to advise them. All these are very, very important in the profession. Because there is no advertise. We cannot advertise. In India, we cannot advertise, I am a good lawyer, expert in various fields. Of course, in some other countries, we can make a board, exhibit our credentials. In America, we can show the credentials. We are such and such a expert in such and such a field. All these can be displayed in very capital letters in a big board. But in India, it is not considered, is not permissible as per the Bar Council rules. So we have to, our advertisement is through your clients. So how to behave with the clients? Then it is very, very important how to behave in court. So these are all things which nobody will tell you. If he's a first generation lawyer, he will not get all these. He has to be in the court. And sometimes nowadays the lawyers may not get time to spend time in court and attending. So they sit in office room and spend time, discuss with his clients and all, if he has got any clients in the for the new advocates. But sit in the courts and understand the things is very, very important. So I remember the old days when I started practice, it was very, very tense, and we are really do not know what to do in the court. I enrolled myself in on 16/3/68 as a lawyer, and the very next week joined a civil lawyer. He sent me to a court where you have to attend the court. You just go and sit, and you need not worry. You just in. It is an informa pauperis application. That is a person who is indigent, who is not able to pay court fee. That is, the plaintiff was a woman. She is to be examined. She gave examination and all. Everything went on well. But usually when an indigent person is examined, if any ornaments are there, the advocate's clerk asks her to remove the ornaments. But unfortunately, that woman who claims to be an indigent was wearing a gold ring, gold chain. So then the other side started the cross-examination. Oh, you are wearing a gold chain? How many sovereigns? And started questioning. So then it was really, I was taken aback what to do. My client will lose the status of an indigent person and we will not be able to file a case even. So then I thought, then the clerk was behind. Then I started, his chief examination is there after the cross-examination. I said, is it not, madam, it's a very holy chain which was given during the time of your marriage and it cannot be sold. All this was brought out in the re-examination. That is how the situation. But as a young lawyer, he is completely taken aback when he goes to the court. This is not taught in the law teaching. So it is our imagination. But it is a challenging profession. I enjoyed the profession as a judge, as a lawyer, and it is an enjoyable job. It's a serving as to the society. As a judge, you are serving every case which comes before you is a life of a family. It is a life. Either he win or lose. A family story is woven in the case. And he loses, he has lost that family. If he wins, and also, winner also he is not going to. If it's a criminal case, both sides lose. Both the murderer and the victim, or victim is always the breadwinner of the family. Family is lost. The person who is an accused, he has to give money to various agencies. I don't want to name the agencies, and then only he will lose. These are all very, very sad things. Every case. That is why the judges have to be extremely careful when deciding the rights of others. He should be careful not to cause any and to help. Especially in the Supreme Court. We are only hearing SLPs for 2 minutes or 3 minutes. Then it is, some judges are in the habit of saying, oh, this is 2 courts have held, nothing in it. So, but sometimes I had to tell my colleagues, wait, brother, there may be something in the case. We have to listen to them. So we listen to them. So sometimes the junior lawyers come and say, my senior is, you kindly pass over. Then I tell, this is the best time, you argue. The senior is not there, make use of that opportunity and argue the matter. So if you lose, I will call the senior. If you are winning, you take the credit. So that is how the things are to be. These judges are, if you sit like a stone in the courtroom, it is a very sad situation. Our justice system is hopeless. We have to listen to them and consider all aspects. So then sometimes we can slight modification. We can help a family. I will tell us one more story. This is one that is also from Delhi. A police officer is frequently coming to the office in drunken situation. He was dismissed from service. So he filed appeal, department appeal, dismissed. He filed appeal before the Delhi High Court, dismissed. So then matter came before us. So my brother sitting by me said, nothing, chief, nothing, we will do. So I wait. Then I asked the solicitor, which I don't want to name the solicitor, I still remember. Mr. Solicitor, how many years he has served your country, this country? So he said 25 years. How many children he has got? Three or 4 children. Wife is alive. So then the solicitor got my mental, Milord, maybe adjourn by 15 days. So I adjourned it. Then the dismissal was converted to compulsory. Even without our order, the government converted into a compulsory retirement. So same thing, he is not causing any problem, but the family is not on roads. So that is how the justice system should work. So the advocates plays the vital role in the justice system. That is how I request Mr. Raghuvamshi should also continue to write, and he should also have to modulate the justice also. He should, by experience, he is just joined the profession, so he will, and that too, giving up the professorship in physics. That physics is the most talented subject which is going to create the future world. That he left that profession. He is a student of IMA. I know I was in Gujarat, the Indian Institute of Management, the best institute in the country. He was a student of that institute also. He has got all the wherewithal to become a good lawyer, and I think he should make use of all his talents and experience and make up as a good lawyer who should make our judicial system better, the best in to be. I had visited a majority of the countries which Indian judicial system is respected throughout the world. In Russia, America, China, and South Africa, and all Indian system, Indian Supreme Court is held in high esteem because we hear the large number of cases and dispose of cases, whereas they are only small number of cases. American Supreme Court here only 250 cases in a year, whereas daily we dispose of for nearly 1,000 cases. That is the Indian system. So let there be a good contribution by Abhinav Raghuvamshi. So I wish all success. My hearty congratulations to him for having done I take it as a beginning, and he should continue to exhibit his talents in various fields. This is a just beginning. That will, I hope, with all your encouragement. You are very, very distinguished people. Those who are come on the stage, and I heard they are working in various doctors, then this all principals and all. So it is the society who produces the system. If we have got a best society, we produce the best system. That is what I would only say. I extend my once again my congratulations and extend my thanks to the organizers for having invited me to this function. Thank you very much.
अगर आप ये वीडियो YouTube पर देख रहे हैं तो हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें। अगर आप Facebook पर ये वीडियो देख रहे हैं तो हमारे पेज को लाइक करें।